up, Glam Fam? We're gonna get into this easy contour like a pro session like Kim Kardashian. First, I'm going in with my Smashbox illuminating primer. Any illuminating primer I'll do, I'm just gonna focus that on my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my cheekbones, and anywhere that I have large pores. Then I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I feel like a medium coverage foundation is perfect. This has such a natural finish. I'm gonna pounce that into my skin using tapping motions with a Real Techniques sponge. I dampened it and I'm just gonna get that everywhere, concentrating mostly on the hairline. Then if you have little extra spots, don't put foundation all over your face again, like a second layer. Just put a little added foundation in those problem areas. Then we're going to go in with this Wet n Wild concealer. This is super affordable. We're going to do a triangle under our eye. We're going to go down the bridge of our nose. Then we're going to do the chin and the Cupid's bow. And we're also going to do a couple lines on the forehead. We want to draw the attention, the light to right there. It's going to make our face look snatched. Then we're going to pounce that in with the Beauty Blender, doing our eyes first so that they don't crease. I'm going to go in with this Makeup for HD Forever powder with my Morphe G2 brush and tap that powder on there. This powder is amazing for this. Then I'm going to spray my Real Techniques sponge and tap over where I put the powder so that there's definitely no creasing. Then we're going to go in with this Call Me Maple Wet n Wild contour stick, and we're going to just go on our forehead, on our contour line, and down our jawline to make this illusion that our face is slimmer. It's going to do such a good effect. Then we're gonna take the stippling brush from Morphe because this really makes it one with the skin, and we're gonna blend it out using upward motions. We're gonna do all the contour blending out. See, I'm doing it on my jawline, on the forehead. This is really going to make it look super natural. You know, I use other things for contour, but this stippling brush is going to make it look like your own skin. Then we're going to take our Beauty Blender and tap in the rest of that highlight that we did earlier. We just wanted to get the eyes done first originally so it didn't crease. That's why I had to get that done fast. Then we're just going to buff that out. Then I'm going to take the stippling brush again and just do the sides of my nose. Then I'm going to go in with this NARS Orgasm Blush. And then I'm going to go back in with the concealer and go underneath the contour to make my cheeks look very chiseled. That contour line, it's going to make it emphasize it even more. Then I'm going to go in with this Rimmel powder bronzer in the color 027 Sun Kissed with my brush and with my stippling brush, and I'm going to go over where I put the cream contour. This is really going to set in place. And then I'm going to go in with the Amrezy highlighter on the high points of my cheek, kind of like drawing a C and then buffing it out. I'm also going to put down the bridge of my nose and also my brow bone. And I'm going to spray with this Pixie setting spray. And guys, this is it. This is how easy it is. Kim Kardashian inspired contour 101, easy as can be. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.